Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hi, thank you so much for joining us today. The wig we're going to be trying on today was sent from Ashimary Hair. Thank you so much Ashimary Hair for sending this one out. So we're just going to head right into unboxing and styling, and I'll be back to share my thoughts with you guys.
Exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Explaining how I choose to live my life, cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry is like no other two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 And nowhere can I find someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other to know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow 아직도 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 My heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 물론 아니야 너는 난 알아 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 모든 알게 말해줘 알고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로 우선 해보는 거야 나랑 YOLO Yeah 난 너와 나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 okay 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 okay 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 My heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 My heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어
Alright, you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and can we get into her? Absolutely gorgeous. I love it, you guys. Styling was pretty minimal with this one because they already did all the hard work for you. This one already comes with the lace pre-cuts, knots have been bleached, and the hairline has also been plucked, you guys, and that was definitely plucked to perfection. Because can we get into that? The lace melted in really nicely as well with little to no effort, so that is definitely a plus for me. And this one is also one of those rat style kind of units that you can pack up in an updo like I have right now, because it does come with that Invisi-Strap thing that I showed you guys when I was styling, that you can, you know, pull to make the back of the unit tighter so you can get her up in a ponytail. And I absolutely love that about this one because it feels really comfortable, you guys, and I don't feel like, you know, the back is going to be falling up on me anytime soon. And can we get into this area as well? The ear tabs fit perfectly on me, you guys. Like, it feels so good and so comfortable. I feel like they cut it in such a nice way around this area that makes it look really natural and feels really comfortable and nice as well. So that's definitely a plus for me. And this one feels really soft and nice, you guys. I absolutely love the texture of this one. Like, it feels so good. I didn't really experience any form of shedding or tangles with her. The density as well, it feels really lightweight, not too much hair going on, which I really love because I feel like that also contributed to making it sleek and lay down nicely in front like this. So that's definitely a plus for me as well. So yeah, you guys, I think we've pretty much covered everything. By now you can already tell that I really like this one, so she's definitely approved by me. If you've been wanting to try an opto style but you don't want to have to go in with your glue all through, or maybe you just want to be able to do it by yourself, I think this is a very nice one to give a try. I'm going to have direct links, every information that you need written in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section. I think I already said I'm going to have the direct links, right? So yeah, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.